Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Thank you for checking out the channel. Obviously I appreciate it so much. Thank you for coming along this journey with me, and we ain't stopping, we're only just starting. So today what I've got for you is one of my personal favourite prep meals. We've got a lemon chicken, and then in replacement of the rice, so we've not got no carbs, we're going to have a cauliflower with a lime zest, and then also we're going to do some spicy broccoli. So let's get into this. Let's get to making the sauce then first. So start off with 125 millilitres of chicken stock. Then we want 3 cloves of garlic, finely grated. And then we want 125 millilitres of lemon juice, and this can be freshly squeezed from 2 lemons or store bought from the bottle. And then we want 80 millilitres of honey. I have just popped this in the microwave for 30 seconds, so it's nice and runny. So you've got to have runny honey. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 30 millilitres of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cornflour. And this will thicken it up once it reaches the heat in the pan. So let's just give that a little mix. And finally, just a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And so for the chicken, I'm sure you've seen it all before, but we've got 4 fillets because we're making 4 meals. Friday's cheat day. So we're just going to cube it. So down there like that, and then down the bottom. So I've just separated them into 4 even piles so you can see. Now let's get to cooking this bad boy. So we've got the pan on a medium. So we're going to put 30 millilitres of vegetable oil in there. Then get our chicken in there. So I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes and then we'll put the sauce in. So the chicken's been in for 10 minutes. So now let's get our lemon sauce in there. So as you can see, now it's boiling. It has started to thicken up. So we're going to cook this for another 5 minutes. I've took it off the heat, and as you can see, it doesn't go straight back in the middle. And if we lift a little bit up, it's not like water anymore, but it's not too thick. Nice and easy. Put it on its top. Just go around and make the florets. Now some of them will obviously be too big, and we want them into sizes around about that. So I haven't used the full 2 florets because we're not going to fit them in the bowl, and I think that will be plenty for 4 meals, so we're going to use 1.5. So the salt is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of it in. 1 teaspoon of pepper. And the magic ingredient, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. So let's just give that a mix. And there we have it all nice and mixed. So I'm going to do things a little bit differently. Rather than boiling them, I'm going to put them in the oven. So put them out on a tray. And we're going to put them in the oven at 170 for 6 minutes, and then we'll turn them around. Six minutes. Bosh. Nice and simple with the cauliflower. All we're going to do is grate it. It's been in 6 minutes. So let me just flip them around. So here's the cauliflower rice, and for this we want half a tablespoon of onion granules and the zest of 1 lime. There we go, there's our liming. So let's get that on a medium heat. Let's just stir that around. So we don't want any oil because we're sweating it off basically. So we don't want to cook it much because when we put it in the microwave, it will go very mushy. So we're just literally heating it up and mixing those flavors around. Smoking! Oh, perfect, perfect. Ooh, baby. So it's a tiny bit crispy, which we want. So when we put it in the microwave, once we're heating it up, it won't be as mushy. So we're just waiting for this to cook now. Let's get our cauliflower in here. Now for our beautiful smoked paprika broccoli. And then I just like to top it off with a few sesame seeds. There you have it. So a couple of people were saying I never try my food, so here we go. So we'll get a bit of the chicken. The lemon doesn't come through a lot, so it's not overpowering, which is good. And then you've got the soy sauce, which adds a little bit of saltiness. So let's try our broccoli. Again, the smoked paprika is a beautiful ingredient. And then finally, the rice. Yep. The lime again, not too overpowering. And the dish as a whole, much better than eating rice. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.